Writing algebraic expressions. This is a digital lesson, and it teaches students how to change from an expression in word form to an expression in number form, and vice versa. So the lesson starts with explaining what an expression is, and that an algebraic expression is going to include one or more variables. So here are some examples of expressions. And then here's some expressions in word form. So the first thing students are going to do is they're going to look at some of these words and they're going to determine which operation they belong to. There will be 5 in every column. So what they do is they take each of these at the bottom of the screen, each of these words or phrases, and they're going to put them in the correct column according to addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So that's the first step, or taking an expression in word form and changing it to numerical form. So if we have the word sum, that's going to mean addition. So they just click and hold on the edge here and they can move this in the correct column. And again, there will be 5 in every column. Twice means we're going to multiply by 2. Product is multiply, and so on. So there will be 5 in every column. Now when we get to slides 7 and 8, we've got these expressions in number form, and we're going to move them next to their equivalent in word form. So twice a number would be 2x. The sum of a number and 8 would be x plus 8, and so on. So we're going to move each of these into the correct place. They're going to do the same thing on the next slide. When they get to slides 9 and 10, now they're actually going to type in the numerical expression. So 9 more than twice a number would be 2x plus 9. And so they're going to type all of those in, and same thing on the next slide. Now when they get to the final slide, they've got a challenge problem here. You can make this extra credit if you like, and they're going to consider this expression and see if they can write it in numerical form. So that is the digital lesson, writing algebraic expressions.